Yo, you're not. Yo, tell me where you. Where you?
You stop drink me.
Tell me where the sachet. Where the sachet?
You have a picnic, so.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Dehlia. So today we're going to look at a prank that was done by a Jamaican YouTube couple called King and Shay. They are the king and queen of pranks in Jamaica. So today, King, who always comes with the bangers, he decided to prank his girlfriend by telling her that he was in a relationship with another girl that he's known all his life, and that the girl gets pregnant and he's not sure who the father is, if he is the father or another guy is the father. Let us see what happens. By the way, guys, I'm still having difficulties recording my screen. I am so bummed out about this, but guys, please enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel, like and share.
More moments later.
Sachet! Na bathroom. No, son. No, let me belly. Can you smell the bad seed? Come here. Babes. Come here now, where you gone? Sachet!
Boy.
Come here now. Slum, bad seed.
You know why you use no toilet? You can use
Somebody just send me something to us, Sachet. We just kind of feel really bad. I just want to just say it to you. I just want to tell you before nobody tell if we hear from nobody. Or just you see the girl when me you see a girl with me.
Where you come off with?
The girl when me come in a marriage with you.
So what?
The girl come in a marriage with me. Just please be it. Just
What the girl coming in married?
when stop only acting with me married prank come I'm prank you with. You just like bad members don't know what to do. You know, just don't know what to say.
So this is the moment when the prank is no longer King's.
You know, you kind of feel a way about it.
Wait a second.
Just
Wait.
Sachet. Lucky door coming out the father. Lucky door. Lucky door on this please.
Alright, go on.
The girl let me do. If you prank with
You feel prank, who's feel prank?
if you prank marriage, it's like we didn't know him from a long time. From my mother and my mother there now, my mother boyfriend, my fear mother when they before 15 months my mother there, so more knew her at a younger age, you understand what I mean? So I stop at one bar, I'm going to a bar. She see me and she scream out, she said, "Wow, one king," and I'm just me there bar and me a drink. And when I did the cat around the virus just come out. And 3 bars them feel quick and me Eddie and
You have to admit that King have some great acting skills, but let's see how Sachet twist this.
Alright, come to me. Where's it happening now? Where's it really happening between you and the girl? So you didn't know the girl long time,
yeah.
which your mother did tell me say she partially grew her.
Yeah.
So that means the way you tell me is true.
Like
So what you try to
about couple months ago is like she went on a bit with me or try to let me on the
I'm if you back to the end, you tell me what you tell me, say, O'Neal. What happened now?
But me when jump over is like when Chakar like when she work over, you ask if you can jump in on the yard and when he would call me and ask me walk one king and walk over here and he said to me said that time my cousin and he said come in the house man auntie man and the rain the time the rain there fall hard a couple months ago and we go in the house and end up just the rain fall and anyway come get up on the veranda in the house too and me jump and she take off my clothes and lay down for me and do it and I don't really know what happened. But we don't have tried the telephone a long time, but that's why you see for morning one time we see her come the second hang up the phone she call me and tell me say she get pregnant and me ask her how come.
Wait, the job works this one. Say what?
She get pregnant.
You best believe that this is the moment him fuck up.
Did she get pregnant?
Yeah.
For you?
I'm saying me from here or from boyfriend,
But you hear any of cars say you go own it.
we never own them, but they match and make us and we can use condom. But she
Alright. Look here, not gonna go further. I don't know how much time you have to break my heart on you.
You see now, only no realize that the book where I read as Shay write it. Like it tired about return, let's see.
I said to how you do me, I not even can cry. I not even can cry on you, but guess what now? But guess what?
I'm really sorry, please. I'm really sorry. Forgive me, babes. Please forgive me.
Me forgive you, honey. You know why?
You forgive me, babes.
Listen to me now. Me forgive you on one occasion if you forgive me.
For what is well.
Because like how you come clean up, say you cheat and you get possible say you have to get an next pitney and roll.
What do you mean if I feel maybe is it that I tell her?
But you're gonna do
She
it.
don't.
No, you're gonna do it. And you know what? I never meant for it to happen, but guess what? Okay, remember talk this kind of business. You talk my mind, I don't care. I don't put on no sorry face and no pity face for you. Cause you don't stop the way I do you. Come and tell me, no, maybe talk. Why you say you on your fake prank, your fake marriage prank?
I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry.
Listen to me now. Just listen to me talk now. See? Hey, the brother who did that bring me come at the fake wedding. Show me the thing he did real. And I was confused because I said, yo, me and you over anyway. So, you see,
What the fuck you do, Sasha?
what?
What you do?
You make me finish that now?
Me ask the question, what you do?
I'm getting to the point. Let me finish.
No, tell me what you do, Sasha. What you do? What you do?
This is where it begins. This is where the prank actually begins. Poor O'Neal no realize that Sasha have him take it.
Tell me what you do.
You can't.
Yo, I'm not playing the ball. Mash up the feet, Sasha. What you do, Sasha?
Mash up.
Yo, I'm not joking to you.
Mash up for face. For face, you don't mash up.
Sasha, what you do, Sasha?
Me ask you a question.
Me ask you a question.
Me not do something coming here, you know. Me juke your back in a field. Why you they say what goes around comes around? Why you behave like that?
Sasha, what you do, Sasha? What you do, Sasha?
Exactly, O'Neal. Why you behaving like that? Why you do? Why you are behave like that? Why? Yes, man, you bugger.
Yo, you're not, yo, tell him where you,
You stop drink me.
Tell me where the sachet,
You have a picnic so?
So make we just adjust Shay activities a little bit. How she even can hold a straight face through all of this? Oh, me not understand.
Can't be joking, what's person, I prank me, you. I prank me, I pussy, I prank everything, yo. See, I like fucking camera, that prank me, I prank you.
Wait, a ball in my ball for you, you mean? A ball in my ball.
Pussy, like,
Hello, keep on contact, bro. Onion. What's up?
you alone, you.
Honey, like,
Wicked sachet, you got that, it takes a lot to come back, you.
come back from
I
where?
said, it takes a lot to come here, you.
Oh dear. So now he like a minor play tricks on him and he start assess and he start realize oh fi true. That's why you did do this.
Honey, like, why you always love give prank and can't take prank?
Who love the front get that? You, what I say, you? Thing go there. The thing go you there. You would move myself the camera, move one of my face, Bridget. Yo, you see you.
You take prank. Take prank. Take back your own prank.
Let me step back this one prank.
You know say your prank can't prank me?
You would move on yourself, you would. You hear me tell you, Regina, move on yourself, you hear? You this. Yo, move now, you would. Move, man. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Eh?
There we go.
Honey, yesterday I had the game. Come on, read. You look a thin rag. You look a thin face and not even say a thick face rag, a thin one. You see when they put it just you see when they set the camera up for you the back way. More the seat, but it light and reflect through it thin rag. Yeah, keep on can't.
You move on yourself, you got Bridget, look at me with the whole of myself.
Who make it with yourself? You must feel like you want to be and nothing wrong. You be it for a morning. Eh?
You see camera? Remember what? Put back with them and see. Stop.
I need me see.
No, maybe I cannot use that.
Me nah lie. I one thing about King, him very paranoid and suspicious. Him because all he tells Shay, they tell him say she see the camera and still want her to run it back for she's fee. Make sure say she really see the camera. He really insecure and he paranoid back.
Yes, see camera, Sasha. Let me show you the camera. No, Sasha, no. Let me see. Stop, Sasha. No, me upset. Stop it with the Sasha. Stop it with the. Let me see you see camera.
You me see camera.
So stop it with the.
I even showing my points. Let me see camera on you.
So stop it with the. Let me see the camera. Stop it with the.
Poor King. That prank has swag your bugger yo. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to end this video. Please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I said before, I'm working on trying to record my screen, so hopefully soon you'll be able to see my reaction and not only hear it. Thank you again for watching guys. Bye.